Hi, I'm Alex with Daivincci Connect, a nonprofit that seeks to advance public understanding of artificial intelligence through human-centered AI forums committed to fostering free AI literacy for all. With artificial intelligence increasingly woven into nearly every aspect of our lives, it's more important than ever to learn how to adapt to our constantly changing world.
Organised exclusively for educating the community, Daivincci Connect is committed to fostering artificial intelligence transparency, encouraging the informed adoption of AI technologies.
Join us in empowering our communities today for the future of tomorrow. Your support helps Daivincci Connect bring AI literacy to all, equipping everyone for the evolving role of AI in everyday life.
So, as AI becomes part of daily life, help us ensure no one gets left behind. Support Daivincci Connect and bring accessible AI education to every community.